What's up, you guys? I know it's been a couple of days since I've posted a video, but I'm back in action and ready to go. So before I get started, remember to like this video, hit the notification button, subscribe to my channel so you can be updated when I post videos and great information like this. And other than that, let's get started. So in this video, I'm actually going to give you the rules and the things that you need to know when it comes to trading. So I actually drew this out for my team in my Discord group, okay? One of the number one things I think everybody needs, they need a strong trading community. You need somebody, or you need to be around people that is actually doing the same thing that you're trying to do, so you guys can actually agree on a pair, or agree on something's doing something, or agree that, so example, Euro USD, okay? I think it was sometime last week, I said, Euro USD looks like it's been respecting the 20 MA. And then somebody else said, yes, it does look like it's doing. So what we did was we tested the water with a small penny first. And then once that penny went into profit or caught a certain amount of pips, I said, I'm going to follow it up with a bigger. And my whole team just made some money. But anyways, it's just so important to have a community of like-minded people trading with you, so you don't have to guess by yourself. But anyways, number one, be patient, okay? When you're trading in these markets, you have to be patient. Number two, believe in your trade. If you think an M or a W or a double top, double bottom is about to happen, guys, believe in it, place your sell or buy, and make it happen. Listen, even if it doesn't play out the way you thought it, at least you believed in yourself. Because when you're trading, I know that you build up a lot of anxiety because you're sitting there watching it like this. And oh my God. No, if you believe in your trade, walk away from your computer, guys. Come back and look at it within the next 5 to 10 minutes, okay? Only trade if you see a setup. This is number three. This is so key. A lot of people just be trading because they see green or they see red, because they see green or they see red. No. You have to actually learn a strategy. One of the most, I would say, accurate or well-known strategies is trading the support and resistance, guys, or the double tops, double bottoms, which is the M's or the W's. That's what I say. Or you have the RSI or the MACD or the TSR signal line or the struck out of the water, which is the TDI. A lot of people use a lot of different strategies. But so find out what is your sauce, okay? Find out what works for you, okay? So only trade if you see a setup. If you don't see a setup that you're comfortable trading, don't trade, period. No matter what anyone says, okay? Number four, check out every time frame to confirm your entries. Guys, before I trade New York session, I love trading New York session, but before I trade it, I always go back down to the lower time frames. So between 7:45 and 8:15, potentially 8:30, I will be watching M15 and H1. If M15 starts out going up, which is bullish in the Forex market, then I say, okay, I'm looking for a buy. Then I go to H1 at the top of the hour, because at New York session, you have M15 forming a new candle, you have the H1 forming a new candle, and you have the H4 forming a new candle. So you got the M15, the H1, and the H4. Those are three confirmations that you need to place your trade, okay? So remember, whenever you're looking to place your trade, and before you place your trade, go look at the smaller time frames, okay? And then go place your trade. Small lot size, okay? So I talked about this earlier. I always place a penny to 3 cents first to test the waters. And then once it happens, guys, I typically follow up with a bigger lot size. So I do a penny first, and then I follow up with like a 40 cents, right? I rarely do 10 to 20 because I like to see my money real quick. I'm a get in and get out kind of guy. And I catch 15 to 50 pips a day when I do trade. So I do a penny first, and then I'll follow up with a 40 cents. And I might do two 40-cent lot sizes so I can double my profit, okay? Number six, securing your profit with a trailing stop loss. Guys, if you guys don't know how to do that, all you have to do, if you know how to set a stop loss and take profit, it's the same thing. If you're $50 in profit, move your stop loss up to, you can take at least $20, right? So no matter what, you'll break even, okay? I typically do that, but that way that I secure my profits and not lose money. Because what happens a lot of times is you will be in some major profit, and then it reverses on you. So if you set a trailing stop loss, if it reverses, you'll still secure your money. So keep that in mind. Number 7, set a goal / amount for the week before trading every week. Guys, that is so important. Set a goal. If you're just trading, just to be trading, hoping and wishing that you're going to make $200-$300 here or $1,000 there, guys, no. That's why you're losing, because you don't have a set goal. Like for me, if I'm going to trade 3 to 4 hours out of the day, I'm going to have a set goal and say, I'm going to make anywhere between $20 to $100 within my first hour. Okay. Typically, when I trade New York session, my goal is to make my $200-$300 between 8 and 10, and I'm done for the day. I typically stop trading no later than noon. Okay. The reason why I do that is because I have a life. I have a wife and kids. Okay. Forex is just a vehicle for me. This is not my only source of income. I'm a motivational speaker. Okay. I potentially Uber and Lyft on the weekends. I make t-shirts like this one here. I mean, I have a lot of stuff I do. I can make flyers. You know, this is not my only source of income. Okay. This is one of my sources. Training and trading people, yes, is one of my main sources of income, but it's not my only source. Okay, so keep that in mind. Do not make this your only source. Use this as a vehicle to get you where you need to go. Okay, so just remember to set a goal and stick to it. All right. And number 8, be realistic. You will not win every trade. Man, I don't even have to read the last part. Be realistic. You will not win every trade. Nobody wins every trade, people. Nobody. You have to be patient, okay? You have to take those losses, okay? What do they say? Scared money don't make money. So if you lose some money over here, go make some money over there, okay? Just don't let yourself get so overwhelmed on, man, I lost this trade. Man, you lose that trade, get back up and do it again. Rocky Balboa talks about this a lot, man. It's not about how hard you get hit, you know, or it's not about how hard you get knocked down. It's about if you can get back up, okay? Get back up and go back at it. Don't quit, okay? Don't quit. Trust me. I'm been doing this for 1 year. And believe me when I tell you, I will never quit, okay? Number 9, be patient. I did it twice because it's so important. And number 10, I said this already, never give up, okay? Don't ever give up. Please, don't never give up. It took me potentially 36 months before I was comfortable trading in these markets. And I'm still learning. People call me a guru or a leader, whatever the case may be. Sure, I am that, right? But I'm still learning as I trade, okay? I'm still learning from other people, okay? I'm still learning from myself. I'm learning from my team, okay? I have a team of about 30 people, guys, that I learned from you guys, okay? So, yeah, that's why I say, even as a mentor, it's so important to have a team that's kind of behind you, right? Helping, supporting you and say, hey, you see this, but I see that, right? Because I'm not always right. All these other gurus and mentors, they're not always right. We're just doing our educated guess because we have more skin in the game, okay? So anyways, that's all I have for you. I just wanted to talk to you guys about what you need to know when you're trading in this Forex market. If you are a newcomer, I recommend that you start out between $100 to $200. And then once you actually get some more skin in the game, let's say 3 to 6 months, I would say go ahead and throw some more money into your account. Okay? Don't be afraid, guys. Throw in another 300 to 500, because once you start getting more developed in trading, you will start to see, man, I can make more money if my lot size was only higher. Because you only have $100 to $200 account. Typically, you're not trading on more than 10 to 20 cents. But if you have a $300 to $500 account, you're trading 40 cents all the way up to a standard, which is $1. Okay. And then once you start really getting good, go up to 500 to 1,000. Okay. Don't be afraid to invest in yourself. Go invest into some of these communities like mine, guys. You do need a strong community to back you. You need somebody to help you and mentor you through all these things. As you guys can tell, as I'm on this call, my team is asking me questions and they're posting about what they see, guys. This is what it's all about in these Forex markets. Join a strong community, okay? Listen, investing in yourself is so key. I invest into my education, and I recommend that you do the same. The stuff that I set up costs me every month, okay? So I'm gonna tell you guys to just go out and get it, okay? Take these rules, like I said, write them down if you have to, pause this video if you have to, and go get this money, okay? No, I'm starting to say this new thing, and I'm actually gonna start making t-shirts. I'm gonna start making little face masks or whatever that says we catching pips, not feelings. Okay. Other than that, it's your boy Terry D, the #1 motivational speaker, Mr. CEO himself of 2S FX Academy, and it's just too easy. Hey, but like I always say, remember to put God first. Make him #1, and everything else will work itself out. Peace.